What's up, my honey bunnies, and welcome back to a new video. I am filming another video on the same day, so if you watched my last video or maybe a video that looks very similar to what I'm looking right now, it's because it's filmed on the same day. Anyway, so I hope that you're having a great day today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I have a what's in my purse type of video. I haven't done one in years, and I recently purchased a beautiful bag from Angela Roi. And I thought, what better way to give you a review and also show you what's in my bag. So let's get to it. Angela Roi has been on my radar for years, but I just never, picked up anything because I couldn't decide on what to pick. And this time around, last year in 2021, they were having their Black Friday Revolution sale. And I picked up this beauty right here. It is their Grace. And they have 3 different sizes in this style. This is the medium size. So they have something bigger and they have something smaller. And I was gonna go with the smaller one, the Grace Mini, but then, no. The Grace Micro. This is the Grace Mini. But I was like, you know what, that's gonna be too small. So let me just go with the medium just in case, because I did want a smaller bag because I always get bigger bags and I carry literally my life in them. So I was like, let me get a smaller one so that I can, be more compact and kind of just not carry and a bunch of stuff. So this is the one that I picked up. It's in a color Gray Mud. It's kind of like a beigey gray. Beautiful color, goes with everything. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you what's in here. I'm gonna give you my review. So let me just show you what it looks like. This is the front of it. It does have the Angela Roi embossed brand logo. Very small, and I really like that about Angela Roi. So I really love that this is so small and dainty and just like minimal. This is the side of it, just quite thick, but still slim. The back is just plain, and then on this side we have this little tab. It just has AR for Angela Roi, and it does kind of have like a faux suede feeling. As you can see, the hardware is a gunmetal color, so it's kind of like a darker. I didn't want to go for silver and I didn't want to go for gold, so this is like the perfect color for me. Like gunmetal just goes with everything. Like it's just a really beautiful color. The zipper, very smooth, no complaints. It doesn't get stuck. I got stuck a little bit because there's a bag in here, but it's very smooth, no problems with that. A lot of times when it comes to like more affordable brands, like stuff that I buy like at Marshall's, sometimes the zippers are not like the smoothest and they kind of get stuck, but this is just so smooth. So let's open it up so you can kind of see what it looks like. Even though it is the mini, it does still fit a lot of stuff in here, and I mean, you will see when I start taking things out. Obviously, I do always carry my phone in here, so that goes in here as well. So as it is, it does get pretty heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this right here. So right now that I'm pregnant, one of the things that I've been really loving to eat is gummy bears. And this one is from Lady May. They are gourmet gummy teddies. So you can see they're vegan, and they are a little bit more like the healthier side. Well, not healthier side, but they're not like regular gummy bears that are like not good for you. So these are gelatin free, made with fruit juice, non-GMO, naturally flavored and colored, and gluten free. So this one is the mixed berries. These are so good. I get these from Marshall's for $3.99. But you can also find them on their website for like $6 each. I also carry a hand cream. This one is from Lather. It's the Rose and Shea. So I really like this one because it's not like super oily and greasy, but it does feel rich, and it keeps my hands super soft and moisturized throughout the whole day. I also have my keys, pepper spray, my remote key to come in the house, of course, hand sanitizer. Before the pandemic happened, before 2020, I always carry a hand sanitizer. It's just something I always have. And this is from Oso. This is the hand sanitizer. It has colloidal silver, and this is their sweet orange. I've tried other ones, but I didn't like the scents, so I went back to sweet orange. And now I buy like the big bottles, so that I don't have to keep rebuying these little tiny bottles, so it's a little bit more eco-friendly. So I buy the big bottles from them, and then I refill this one. So yeah, this is my favorite hand sanitizer. It works so good, it smells really nice, and it doesn't dry out my hands. My wallet is very, very small, just like tiny little thing. I only carry my essentials, a mask, because the mask mandate has been lifted here where I live, but there are some places like hospitals, or like whenever we go to our OBGYN, you know, medical facilities like that, you still have to wear masks. So I always have a mask, and this is a clean one that I just put in here. I have some Certex. It's medication that helps me survive the allergy season. It doesn't work that great, but I still like to carry them because you never know when I'm gonna need them. I don't like to take them every single day. I just take them whenever like my allergies are so bad. And right now my allergies have kind of calmed down, but they were so bad that I just had to take, you know, medication. A little makeup bag. This one came in my Ipsy bag. In here, I just keep things that are essentials that I always want to carry with me. And then sometimes I have to do my makeup in the car. So I'll like grab things from my collection in the beauty room and then like put it in my purse. Or, you know, things just collect. And I've had these for years. But these are the Japanese beauty papers. So they're like blotting papers from Tatcha. I really like these. They do work. I don't use these all the time because my skin doesn't get super oily. But when it does and I need to blot, I use these. Then I have a little mirror, a little deodorant. This one is from Native. This is the sugar cookie scented one. I have not tried it, it's still brand new. So I don't know if it works or not, but I saw it at Target and I'm like, let me try it out. I've never tried it before. I've heard so many great things about Native. A mascara, this is from Harvest. I really like this one, it's a great mascara and it's a little tiny one. And that's actually the full size. This is not like the travel size. This is how it comes. Tweezers, these little mini tweezers are so cute. They're so tiny. And they come with this little pouch. So they're perfect for travel or just to like keep in your purse to do your brows or your mustache or whatever. And we have a bunch of lip products in here. These are all pretty much like lip treatments or lip oils. This one from Kboss. This is amazing. I absolutely love this. I don't even know how I still have some in there because I use this pretty much every single day. This is the lip treatment in the color Fig Macaroon. And it also has a little bit of a tint. I don't know if you can see that. But it is amazing. Makes my lips shiny. It hydrates them and moisturizes. It's super lightweight. It kind of smells like a traditional chapstick. This little small one from Kinship. And this is the Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. And this is also amazing. This is a clear one. And then I have these two. One is from Bare Minerals and the other one's from Lawless. The one from Lawless is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss in the color Velvet. And this is a little travel size. I picked up like a little kit or like a set for the holidays. And this one is not only a really pretty color, but it has kind of like a minty sensation, so it feels cooling on the lips and it's supposed to plump them a little bit. Does it? A little bit. I mean, because of the peppermint or like that cooling sensation, I feel like it does plump up your lips a little bit, but because it is shiny and a little bit more thicker, obviously anything that you put on your lips that makes it shiny is going to make your lips a little bit more plumper and more juicy. So I love this one. Highly recommend this formula as well. And then this one from Bare Minerals is a little travel size as well that came in a sample bag a long time ago. This one is called the Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm in the color Serenity. Sincerity, not Serenity. It's also a very pretty color. This one's a little more pigmented. It has more color. And it kind of has a little bit of like mica, like a little bit of like a golden mica in there. Very, very pretty. Let me swatch all of them so you can see them. This one is from Lawless. This is the Velvet, very sheer. Anyway, that is what I have in my makeup bag. Just, you know, a bunch of things that I think are necessary and I want to carry in my little bag. Actually, I also carry this perfume in there, but I just filmed a perfume haul, so I took it out of my purse, you know, so to show it in that video, and then I forgot to put it back in. But this is what I carry right now in my purse as far as perfume. And this one is from Ellis Brooklyn. It's the Sun Fruit. It is their newest release. I picked it up in a little travel size just to try it out. It smells amazing, like a sophisticated, fruity, floral. Oh, I love it. It's like, it's very hard to describe, but it is very fruity. And as you can see, the color is bright yellow. So it is very bright, very sunny, very like uplifting, very fruity, very kind of like tropical. I don't know why, but it smells like pineapple rum type of drink. I probably sound like a freaking alcoholic because I'm always describing perfumes as like alcoholic drinks. Like this reminds me of like a pineapple and Malibu type of rum situation, but not like overly sweet. It has like some depth and some like sophisticated vibes. I love it. The only thing is that it doesn't last that long, which really sucks. But anyways, that is what I carry in here. All right, so I'm almost done. As you can see, there's hardly anything here. We have lots of receipts in this little compartment. It has a little pocket here, and then on the other side you also have another compartment, which is a zipper compartment, along with kind of like a little patch where it has the logo. It says welcome to the revolution, and it has like a little, I don't know what it is, but hopefully I'll give you like a closer look. But that is the little thing. And then inside this zipper bag, do I have anything? Yeah, I do. A little card on how to clean the bag. I have a little business card thingy. Basically, I have a lot of like gift cards and, you know, store credit type of deal. Every time I hear or see like loose change, I think of that viral song that's going around social media where he goes, my money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. Yeah, anyways, more stones. Yes, I love crystals. So I have a amethyst and then a tiger's eye. So I keep this in here as well. But that is basically it for my purse. As far as my thoughts and review about this purse is that I love it. I think it was a great investment. I love the size because it's not so big and it's not so little. I like the size, I like the style, I like the color. So again, so far I'm really loving it. This is pretty much my everyday purse. I do sometimes change it around depending on my outfit or like where I'm going, but for the most part this has become my everyday purse and I absolutely love it. The quality feels sturdy and, you know, really nice. I will say that on the strap, by the way, it does come with 2 straps. I'll show you the other strap in a bit, but this one is just like the regular faux leather strap. It did come with, I don't know if you can see that, a little bit of fraying of the seams. I don't know if you can see that. I'll give you a close-up, but that's pretty much it. I mean, other than that, it looks like it's really well made. Besides this little spot right here, looks great. It is more like a pebbled leather, faux leather, of course. And Angela Roi uses like really high quality vegan leathers, and they also have, they came out with the cacti or like a cactus leather, which is so interesting and so amazing. I mean, we have pineapple leather, we have mushroom leather, we have apple leather. There's so many different like faux leathers that are great alternatives to your traditional skin animal leather. That is just like mind-blowing of how many options we have there. We don't have to resort to leather, animal leather. So yeah, great quality. The inside, I have no complaints. It looks really well made. Anyway, so I love this purse. Highly recommended. It's a great quality purse. I love it. So far, I've been using it for months and I pretty much use it every single day. I love that the strap is long enough, you know, to use as a crossbody or like on your shoulder. You can also shorten it because it does have adjustable straps. And I'm also going to try them on so you can kind of see the length because I'm only 5'2" and this is like a perfect length for me. but I know some people are like shorter or taller and they want to know like how it looks on the body, so I'll show you that as well. Here is the metal chain link strap that it comes with as well. So it does come with 2 straps. You don't have to choose, it does come with both of them, and obviously it's the same color, a gunmetal color, and I like this. It makes it a little bit more kind of like edgy looking. It's not that comfortable. I mean, I can use this maybe for like a night out and just put on the chain link one, but usually I just go with the regular strap because it's way more comfortable. And right now I'm just wearing like maternity pants or maternity bike shorts and just like a crop top, but you know, just to show you what it looks like. Those are my thoughts and my full-on review on the Grace Mini from Angela Roi. Again, highly recommend this brand if you're looking to invest in a high quality purse. It does come with the dust bag and a certificate of authenticity. This purse and this size in particular has been great right now. I've been using it, you know, very often, and it just carries so much and it's very comfortable, it's very cute, it's very stylish, and it just goes with everything. But now that I'm gonna become a mom, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a bigger bag. All right, my honey bunnies, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.